Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me. I don't have a face intro. I did go ahead, I flooded the canvas. I am using Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Now that it's flooded, the canvas is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I am torching out the air bubbles to prevent pinholes from developing once the painting has dried. Because then you see those little pinholes, you don't want that in your painting once it dries. So that's why we use the torch and we torch it out. Colors I'm going to be using today are going to be in honor of my mom. These are colors that she loved. So since Mother's Day is coming up this weekend, I want to wish all of you a very happy Mother's Day. And yeah, this painting is for you, Mama. So I'm starting with Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. My next color is Winsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. And I'm going to squiggle this one. My next color is Pearl White by Arteza. I'm sorry, White Pearl by DecoArt. Okay. My next color is Luminous Violet by Holbein. Again, be very light-handed with this one. Tends to take over. This is the color my mom loved. Happy Mother's Day in heaven, Mom. I miss you. My next color is Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. Love it. These are the shades that she loved. And Pearl Cream by Arteza. So those are my colors. Let's torch out the air bubbles. And let's begin. I love it. I absolutely love this. I'm going to open up here a little more. Just like that. I absolutely love this. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. I love it. I'm just tweaking a couple of the sides, bringing colors, the lines to kind of unite. I love it. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this one. I don't think I want to do anything to it. Just let it dry. Just let it dry. Okay. So I kind of see something in here. Let me see. Okay. All right. So I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So look at her. Here she is. And I am going to come down and show you the petals in just a bit. I'm trying to get my lighting correct here and out of my way so I can show you. So check her out. Look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and come in. Love the cells. Look at the cluster of cells. You can see the blanket of shimmer. I love that border of the Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. By far, I love how this one turned out. And this one, Mom, is in honor of you. I miss you and love you every day with every breath I take. So I hope that you're enjoying this one. Check her out. It's gorgeous. A lot of people don't like the little black dots. I don't mind them. I think they add a beautiful detail to the painting. Look at the cluster of cells at the end there, falling off the edge. Gorgeous. I love it. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the colors here. The black base is just stunning. Makes it pop. So check it out. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fluid Arts by Elsa. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and obviously here on YouTube. So thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to you ladies out there celebrating. I hope you get treated as the queen that you are. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. See you in the next video.